Mayroon ng ila, na ng ila.
No, Obi.
Jimbo na ng ila.
I have a off lotion. Actually, I have a off lotion. You
You
should avoid the dengue because dengue will be forever in your skin.
Yeah. Butan ba?
Here in the Philippines, if you in the province, if you have a dengue, we will drink like grass like that in the plants. We drink that so that the blood will be. Sabi na sis lower ba ganyan? Oo, tawag. Yeah, we will boil the plants and then we drink it so that your blood I think become low. I don't know about that. Something like that. Yeah. But it's not allowed. You should not. You should hide it when you drink the plants, water plants, because the doctor don't allow that. Yeah, they don't like it. So that you will stay in the hospital long.